Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. Today we got a project we're doing here. We're doing the house wash, we're doing the roof wash, doing the driveway in the front, we're doing the back patio. I got Big Steve with me today. Give me a hand so we can knock this out real quick. I'll show y'all what I'm working with today. So we got the roof needs to be done. Looks pretty rough. This is gonna be a great shot for a before and after picture. Can't wait to do that. They're actually getting this house painted, so you know we're just prepping it for tomorrow. But yeah, man, this is one of my good friends. This is his mom's house, so we're gonna get him nice and lined up for tomorrow. We're gonna do the roof first, then move on to the house wash, and then knock out the flat work. Wow, take a look at this deck, y'all. This is gonna come out great. Look at this. Wow, this is black.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
What's up? We all done here. Thought it was gonna take us about 4 hours. Took us about that. There's a lot of projects, man. I had to do the roof, big house wash, big driveway, patio. But hey, we got paid. That's all that matters, right? Let's see this over here. Look real good. I got my before and after pictures. Front looks good. Driveway looks good. I got some post treatment down there still working. The roof looks good. Step back some so y'all can see that roof. Man, that roof looks good. But look at that roof. Roof looks good. Take a look at the back. Chimney looks good. Well, look at that chimney. Alright. This is the, y'all remember how this looked before? Look at how it looks now. Everything nice and clean. We got paid already. And we out, man. I'll catch y'all the next time.